the ZINUS Ricardo couch. We're gonna get it out of the box, assembled, and then give it a little review. There are only two main sections in the box, which are the base and the back of the couch, which features these connectors that are going to slide in to the legs in a minute. Everything else is stored inside of here. So you pull this Velcro back, which exposes the legs, the cushions, and everything else you need. And here are the legs of the couch, which are conveniently labeled for left and right. First, we'll quickly screw on the feet. Now we slide the legs onto the matching part of the back, which can hold the two posts. This is reserved for the long backrest. That'll go on later. Just like that, we have the bottom in. You want to apply a little bit of pressure to make sure that it's fully settled. Now the back slides in using these pieces here, which look very similar to the sides, and they go connected to the corners over there. The last step is just to throw on the cushions. Well, it's going to take a little while for the cushions to fully expand from their vac seal, but the couch is great, and it only took about 8 minutes to fully assemble. This is the fastest couch assembly I've ever done, and it's a great, not too wide couch that fits in tighter spaces like the wall I have here.